We make more than 20,000 decisions every day. Meat or fish, the stairs or the lift, active adventure or relaxing holiday. It's sometimes difficult to pick immediately. What if you could choose when to make a decision? With functions on demand, you have that freedom. Because you can book selected functions even after actually buying a vehicle easily through My Audi. This means that you can choose for how long you want to use a function. You can try out a bookable function for a month, use it for a year, or enjoy it for a lifetime, for example. With functions on demand, you can configure your Audi flexibly to suit your own individual needs.